Hello, creators and business owners. When you are running an e-commerce store, you need to focus on user experience and ease of access. The most basic feature that we are going to discuss in this video is product filtration. And what I have seen in my experience, even good WordPress theme does not offer exact product filtration at WooCommerce themes. So I have a perfect solution in this video that I am going to discuss, and I'm sure you are going to use this solution to make your online store more successful and bring more sales and conversions for you. Even you are maintaining a site for your client, this is going to be a very important tool that you can deliver. Okay, so we have this product filtration plugin. Yes, this is a premium plugin that is called Filter Everything, and this is WordPress WooCommerce product filter solution, and it is called the most flexible filter for WordPress, and it is already being used for around 16,000 WordPress stores. So you can easily assume the popularity, the importance of this plugin. Why this is important? It is simply offering all-in-one filtering solution. It works with any content, just not products. It works with theme, page builder, and for post and everything. So you can configure it anywhere to filter the things to show on your web pages. And more importantly, it brings built-in SEO tools to get some extra organic traffic. So you can read all these details, and I am mainly focused to let you know this solution, and it has got a very big update in recent days. So on 18th March, the latest version was released with a big update. So Filter Everything Pro is a powerful plugin that includes absolutely everything you need to filter on WordPress content, from products, blog posts, to car listing, recipes, real estates, and any other custom post type. So I take you to the demo instance that is from the plugin developer itself. So I'll change the color here, and it will load the respective color design. Further, I am going to choose a brand here. So and it will filter all the products from the selected brand. Similarly, we can choose the price filtration, the colors and the variations and everything that you can see in the left panel. This filtration gives users much more convenient way to filter the relative products, most convenient products, we can say, that they are intended to buy actually. So filtration is a very important feature that you cannot avoid on any e-commerce store, be it WooCommerce or using any other platform. And the reset all feature gives all products on screen again. So this is a very convenient way that I think can be applied on the product filtration basically. So I'm focusing on the WooCommerce because when you are listing multiple products in multiple colors, variations, it is important to provide the filtration options so that the correct product may be filtered. Now, I have installed this theme on the backend on a brand website, I mean the demo instance, and here is the screen. So where you can start in the setting area. In the setting, we have the filter widgets on the mobile should be appear on as on pop-up or the same as on desktop or collapsed or expanded manner. So you can set how it is going to appear on the mobile device. Further, pop-up filters widget compatibility mode is here. Like we can enable the compatibility mode. You have to enable this if the widget does not appear. So it is like a troubleshooting thing. Sidebar on top, Ajax filtration and other settings like widget primary color and the filter container max height. You can set all like WooCommerce archive descriptions where you want to set. So you can simply type here. So where it is going to be applicable, and you can even enable the debug mode. So when you are configuring the plugin, you can go with the debug mode. Further, we have SEO settings like global filter prefix and the order. So you can save the changes once you create a filter, it will be enabled. So you can check the index filters and indexing depth as well. So SEO is main consideration when you are again offering multiple products like variable products, and that all should be indexed properly. So SEO is a thing that you need to use. Further, we have import export options and experimental options like Ajax loading icon or the weight cursor, the dark overlay or the smart auto scroll, and further we have some appearance settings like. So these all you need to check whether it is working properly with your theme, and only after confirmation you can enable these things. To create filter sets, you don't have to do much. Either you can create filters automatically, or better you can go with the manual mode. Like you can apply filters, you can create multiple filter sets, like you are setting the color filter, so you can choose either post product. So like product is selected here. Then next question is where to filter. So simple questions, and you have to integrate or configure the things accordingly. Common WordPress pages, the product pages, or the brands, or like all like post types is product here when we are applying on the WooCommerce basically. And refiltration is any product page for common query across all product pages. So you have further choices here. So this is very comprehensive in fact. So what to filter? So no list of products found on this page. So you have to make the product listing first before you are applying this filter. Further, we have this shortcode. We can use this filter everything, add shortcode where we want to show the filtrations. We need if you need further settings like empty terms, so never hide, or the show counters, hide empty filters, HTML ID classes, and some technical things are here. So you can use randomly wherever you need to do so. And you can even duplicate the filter set. When you have created one successfully, you can apply the same filter to other locations like other posts or pages wherever you want. On the next area, you can add SEO rules, which is very important, like how you want to show to the SEO engines to show your variable product, like SEO titles, meta description, SEO description, H1 title and all. So this is very convenient way to apply the filtration, I think, and this is why it is being so popular at Envato Market. You can buy this plugin through the video description link at codecanyon.net. It is important to follow the video description link so that you may get every support through the plugin developer and through the iCreate program. So I'm going to add all the links in the video description. You need to spend $49 for this wonderful solution for your WordPress website. And in this $49, you will get quality check by Envato, future updates for this plugin, and 6-month support from the plugin developers. And the original developers are Steps Yoke. Okay, so the elite author. Okay, so this is a featured item on the Code Canyon, and I'm sure it is very useful for your store, and you can see the existing reviews from its existing users. I mean the reviews from its existing users. Okay, so if you have any question related to this plugin, or you are facing any trouble, simply write in the comment, or better you can join the live session chat with a mentor on the iCreate website, and we are going to help you in every manner in applying such wonderful features for your WordPress website. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.